A farmer finds that if he plants 65 trees per acre, each tree will yield 55 bushels of fruit. He estimates that for each additional tree planted per acre, if he packs the trees in more, they each get less soil, less room, less sunlight. The yield of each tree will decrease by 3 bushels. So there's this give and take. The more trees you plant, the better, because you're going to, get, stuff from more trees, but then each tree will yield less fruit. The equation for the number of bushels of fruit per acre for each tree is this. Now, we could have found that ourselves on another problem we do. There's another problem where do the setup and you get to this equation. Now we're going to do the second half. This is a finishing problem. Now that we have that formula, which is the relationship between bushels of fruit and number of trees you plant. So number of trees per acre and bushels of fruit, total bushels of fruit. Okay. So, well, I should say bushels of fruit per acre. Bushels of fruit per acre for each tree, for each tree. All right. So, how many trees should he plant per acre to maximize the harvest? Now, notice harvest is the number of bushels of fruit per acre per tree times the number of trees planted per acre. That was a confusing sentence, huh? All right. I think it probably makes sense if do it this way. So, total harvest, like the total harvest of fruit that you're going to get, the farmer's going to get, is going to be what? This farm science has got some, it's no joke. It's got some stuff to it. Is going to be the number of trees planted, plants, but planted, times the bushels of fruit per tree, right? So like you plant 1,000 trees and each tree yields 25 bushels of fruit. You multiply that, you get 25,000 total bushels of fruit. So it's how many trees times how many bushels per tree. So that's what they want us to maximize, total harvest. Bushels times number of trees. Okay. So we go, okay. So that means coming on down the harvest then is going to be number of trees planted. That's T. That's just exactly what T is. Um, I guess I didn't say that anywhere, but T is the number of trees planted times B is this is the bushels. So let me actually multiply this right here, actually. This will be minus 3t plus, what's that, 180, 195 plus 55? Did I get that right? Plus 180 and 15, 195 plus 55. And so then I'm going to combine these. That'd be 250. So the B formula, kind of clean it up a little bit, is that right there. And so that's what we bring down here, minus 3t plus 250, number of bushels of fruit. So then the harvest formula is distribute, oops, here we go, minus 3t squared plus 250t. So there's the harvest formula. Now, what do we want to do? We want to maximize harvest. So how do we do that? Take the derivative, huh? Set it equal to 0. Bring this down, minus 6t plus 250. This is first power, just comes down, subtract 1, it's gone. And then you do what? You set that equal to 0. So I'm going to grab this guy and jump him over. So 250 is plus 6t, and then divide by 6. Boom. Oops, a little scribbly there. Let's go to Desmos, 250 divided by 6. So clear this, 250 divided by 6. 41.6666. So 6666. That's, what is that? That's T is trees per acre. That's how many trees per acre the farmer should plant to maximize his harvest. That's the answer. So that's maximizing the total amount of fruit produced. And so there we go.